should give this guy $100. What do you think?
Yeah. Hey! Raindrop. Top, smoking up in the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah. Looking up over the crock pot.
Yes, we felt some type of way where we just made some merch. We want to create a movement together. We're lifted. You know, try and feed the homeless people, get them some merch, give them some money, maybe change or make somebody's day at least.
There you go.
Make something out of it, you know. So I support you. I hope one of you guys make a change and make something happen.
There you go. That's what it's about, man. Like, the more you do, the more you give, the more you get. That's really where it's at.
But we're not even just doing this for the content. Like, I felt like today is just a sad, fucking rainy day.
Gloomy. Yeah.
Let's make somebody's day, man.
Yeah. Right off rip, he's like, yo, head over, let's do this.
Yeah, I felt like we bought these machines to like learn how to screen print and stuff like that. And one of the first projects we were supposed to do was print some merch, give to the people that are in need, you know?
Yeah.
A couple months later, after practicing a bunch of time, I think it's about time to
make it happen.
Well, we have about 35 fucking cold pizzas, you know?
I'm ready for my dude. We better find some homeless people.
Are we doing sunglasses?
Yeah. Okay. It's actually a little too dark for this.
It's definitely the morning. I think we should give this guy $100. What do you think?
Yeah. You can use it.
Hey, come here. You gonna use that for weed or for beer? Which one you want?
I want the weed.
You want the weed?
Yeah, I want the weed.
Here's some money for some weed.
My man. Appreciate you, baby.
No problem. I think we made it. He ain't begging no more. He's out. He's out.
Who cares? Is this, bro? That's how you get it. He's alright, bro. I'm good for the night.
Yeah, what's up, brother? Are we allowed to park right here? Or?
I think so. A little bit.
What's a little bit? Like 9, 10?
I'm not parking enforcement, so I don't want to stick you.
What do you do?
Security.
Oh, alright. My bad,
I
brother.
love your karma, man. I'm trying to figure out how to give me one like that.
You gotta work hard, my brother.
Your overtime, I'm doing it.
Thank you. It looks like he's parking, right? What you think?
Yeah, I thought he was. I thought he was watching that corner to make sure nobody was parking.
I thought he was parking. Where you at? Alright, well.
Cut through there.
Yeah. Alright, I'm coming. Wait for me. Just hold it down real quick.
I just got them ice on hitting in the doggy. Pretty ass whip don't make no sense. Gotta have somebody hop out the brick bitch.
We're good. We're right here. What's going on over here?
I cooked up some pizza.
Oh.
Some Pepsi pizza and chips.
Shit. Now you guys are doing this right in front of a pizza place, right?
I know. The Leeko's place, right?
Yeah.
It's the best pizza.
Yeah. Damn.
Oh my god.
You guys gave out some already?
Yeah.
A bunch?
Like 4. We found some and it was on like other.
Gotta go.
Good?
Hey.
I figured. Anything you want to say to your family or anything?
Yeah. I'll see you soon.
There we go. Woo! What's going on, man?
What's going on? What y'all got going on?
What you got earlier?
Hey, you remember us from earlier?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
What you got earlier?
My man.
Enjoy yourself, man.
All right.
Fucking porn.
Yep.
Just kidding, man.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Oh, God, yeah. Thank you so much.
God bless.
God bless.
We took the worst thing.
We really did. Woo! Pedro, what hurricane we in right now?
You're in a way hurricane, but we
energy out there. Just all this energy in the atmosphere. All right, this is the lifted van challenge. Whoever stays in the van the longest, it's all this food. Actually, no, there's plenty of food and drinks to survive.
Don't tell me they're backing up.
How long would you stay in here, Yes? Me? Yeah, how long could you stay in here?
Tomorrow.
Till tomorrow? What about for $1,000?
2 days.
Here you go. Oh, I thought you gave the Red Bull away. Thanks so much.
We gotta get a video of all these people. They're all wearing the shirt out here.
Oh yeah, look at the camera. Woo!
Yeah.
You guys good? You guys food?
Hey, now we're
Right good?
Now we're ready to go.
You hungry?
If I was to you with the shirt,
Hell yeah.
that's why I gave you the cigar and all that. You need a cigar?
Good.
That's why I gave you the cigar. I'm like, hold up, man. I like your company.
Hell yeah. Yeah, man.
What's it? I don't feel no business.
All right.
Thank y'all very much.
Yeah, y'all stay safe. Oh, there you go. Here, you can stay over there where it's dry. I'll get it for you. God. Woo.
Oh god. Don't get fooled, bro. McLarens are not made that well.
What do I press? There we go. Wait.
It's not.
How do I get it to go up?
I don't know.
Talking that
Kind
close.
of close enough.
So we're still doing this, huh?
We gotta hand them out, bro, before the food goes bad. We have to do what we have to do. There's one right across.
Woo! It's stormy. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Woo! Some skin.
How you doing, bro?
You want anything else? Any extras or anything?
Yeah, another bag of this.
Yeah? Travis, by the way.
Stewie.
Stewie? Nice to meet you, man. Oop. I'm not sure if it's pepperoni or cheese. Oh, it's pepperoni.
Yeah, this is good.
Nasty out tonight, boy. There we go. We got you some water.
Another shirt? I'm okay, thank you. Thank you, I was gonna say.
Yeah, man, you too.
Like out of all the companies, all the people that are out there that have foundations, that say they're doing charity work, you feel me? Why Smoke Shop? That's crazy.
That's what I found.
My lighter. I know the pattern. I feel bad for that kid.
It goes all the way down to...
Yeah, just the library's right here, so I want to turn around the van.
I got you. Give me your bag.
Like that?
That one.
Boom.
Here you go.
God bless, man.
Yeah.
Coño, hay 7, no sé. I only got 2 bags here.
You should hand them out right here. Open there.
Yeah, you open the door. Just open the door. Vente para atrás.
Woo. Hey, we got food and stuff if anybody's hungry. Some shirts? Yeah. You mind if we just take some shots?
Yeah, can we take some video footage?
Yeah. No. Some glamour shots, man.
What do you go for?
What do you mean?
Some free food.
Oh, what you were doing? You got it?
We're just like, we're trying to promote positivity and
Get back.
Yeah.
Some chips.
I got a shot of this. Leeko. Thank you so much. Can I get up?
You need water? Yeah.
Una más. Esa es una. Sí, brother. You're welcome.
Dale, I can restaurar.
Yeah, one moment.
Una sola.
What? Doritos.
Here, let me.
Thank you so much. You guys have a good night.
You too, man.
Thank you. Adiós.
Thank you, guys.
Una bendición y Dios me lo bendiga.
Igualmente.
Ay, bendito.
Papá.
No, I don't think we have any more, but we have.
We have chips.
We have last 2 bags of chips. Might as well drop it in there, no?
Hey. Papa.
Everybody got a shirt?
Got a shirt?
Everybody got a shirt?
I think I got one in the bag.
You got one in the bag. You got one in the bag. The one who didn't get one in the bag, don't you?
Yeah. Ya le hizo a ella. There should be one in the bag.
There's not plastic bag.
That's all the truth. Please. What kind of picture?
Yeah.
Lifted TV.
Yep.
Lifted TV.
Yeah.
These are all the shirts you have?
It's with us, the owner.
What's that shirt?
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Leroy. This is my girl. Her name is Mom. I'm 17.
Wait, you said this on TV?
No, it's not on TV.
I do YouTube. You know, I got an Instagram. You know. I thank you guys for helping out. That's a nice car. I wish I had something like that, but I'm still young.
Yeah, you still got time, man.
I got time, bro. But yeah, man, that's a nice car. Thank you guys so much, man. You guys are awesome, man. You guys come out and look out for me. Thank you guys so much, man.
Yeah, man.
You guys have a good day.
We're just trying to promote positivity, man. Be part of the community. That was good. We'll see you around.
Hey! Raindrop. Drop top, fucking up.